Hi guys, this is me, Aurea. Hi guys, ako naman yung best friend ni Aurea. This is me, Blacky Jessie. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Blacky Jessie. At ako naman si Bacon. Ako naman si Bacon Girl. Hi guys, ako naman yung best friend ni Bacon Girl. It's me, Roblox Subscribe. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Bacon Girl. This is me, Cherry Pie. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Cherry Pie. This is me, Blue Pie. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Flower Chessy. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Blue Pie. This is me, Cat Pie. What's up? This is me. Ako naman yung best friend ni Cat Pie. This is me, Pig Pie. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Flower Cat. Iba lang yung pangalan niya, pero naging Flower Cat talaga yun. This is me, Blacky Cat. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Blacky Cat. This is me, Butterfly Blueky. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Butter Coffee. Butter Coffee lang. And, wait lang! Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Butter Coffee and this is me, Flowers. Hi, ako naman si Bacon. Ako yung best friend ni Flowers. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Bacon and this is me, Flowersy. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Flowersy. This is me, Cherry. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Cherry. This is me, Cutie Pie. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Cherry Pie. Ay, ako naman yung best friend ni Cute Pie. And ako naman si Rainbow. Hi, ako yung best friend ni Rainbow. Ako naman si Blacky Catties. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Blacky Tatties. And this is me, Tomato. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Tomato. Ewan ko ba? Si Cutie Tomato. Cutie Tomato. And this is me, Catty Chu. Hi, ako naman yung best friend ni Catty Chu. This is me, Ready Cat. So, tapos na po ang vlog namin. Ang dami na pong nagpakilala na character. So, bye-bye!